Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you window menu in Adobe Premiere Pro. So what basically window menu is, let's see. So what I do first I will come in menu, and then what I do, I will just simply click on window, and as you can see that right now it is showing me all the options of window menu. So the first option is workspaces. So here we have all the options for workspaces. The first is assembly, audio, color, editing, and effects, definitely. So what basically workspaces? The workspace, if we talk about the workspace of Adobe Premiere Pro, so this is workspace means that where the option there the things are. For example, if we talk about this media browser, let's suppose if I click and drag this, definitely I can also keep my media browser here, getting me. And let's suppose if I don't want my project panel here, so definitely I can also change the position of this project panel as well. For example, if I want my project panel here, definitely I can also do, getting me. So definitely this is what we call this is workspace, getting me. So here we have options for workspace. You know that Adobe is very you can say definitely very smart company, so they know that what do they need. For example, if you are doing audio, let's suppose if you are working audio, so if I click on audio, as you can see that right now I have a workspace for audio. Let's suppose if you want color, let's suppose if you like color, definitely this is for color, getting me. Let's suppose as you can see that right now it is showing me color, getting me. So because they know that okay, if you are doing editing, so definitely if you are doing editing, so definitely you will be working with media browser, project panel, and also these options, getting me. So definitely what they did, that they have arranged definitely the project, or you can say panels. For example, if we talk about this, definitely as you can see that audio clip mixer is here, effects pen control is here, getting me. So they are very smart, and definitely they have done work for us, getting me. So definitely here we also have the options assembly. If you don't want to go in window and workspaces, definitely you can also change the workspaces by just simply click on any of the workspaces. For example, here we have the shortcut. For example, if you want to go to effects, definitely here we effect. If you want to go the audio, getting, so definitely right now I have audio, and editing definitely CS5, and assembly definitely if you are doing assembly, definitely it will be easy for you, getting me. So what they have done, that actually they have done the arrangement of panels, okay. And then here we have the options. The first is reset. Let's suppose if you have changed something, uh, for example by mistake you have changed, you have just simply click and drag and you have changed the position of media browser, okay. Now if you want to go back, if you want to go to the original, so how can you go? You need to just simply go in window workspaces, and here we have the option called reset. Let's suppose if you want to reset, mean factory factory reset, definitely you can also do here. For example, if you want to reset the save layout, definitely as you can see that now I'm in original, getting me. So definitely if you have done something wrong and if you want to go back, so definitely you can also go back. Let's suppose I like definitely I personally like editing CS5, and because I have changed little bit things here, so what I do, I will go again workspaces and I will say reset layout, and as you can see that now I have reset all the things, getting me. So reset means it will go back original, it will go to original. And then what do we have next? So we have save changes to this workspace. Let's suppose if you want to you can say let's suppose if you don't like this thing, for example if you don't like media browser here, let's suppose if you like media browser here, getting me. So if you want something like this and if you want to save it for a future, so definitely you can also save. How? Just go in workspaces, and here we have the option called save changes to this workspace. So definitely whenever you will open or whenever you click on editing, so definitely media browser will come here, getting me. So definitely you are saving this panel, getting me. And definitely here what do we have? Here we have the save as a new workspace. Let's suppose if you want to make your own, if you want to create your own workspace, definitely you can do. How? See, just simply click on save as a new workspace, and definitely is asking the name for your workspace. So I will say Naveed, and if I click on OK, and if I go in window workspace, as you can see that right now I have this Naveed, getting me. So here we have assembly, audio, color, definitely. So definitely with these workspaces I also have my own workspace, getting me. So definitely you can create your own workspace as well, getting me? So what is workspace? Workspace nothing means the arrangement of your panels. Let's suppose if as you can see that now my program definitely program monitor is here. Let's suppose if I want my program monitor here, definitely I can also do this is arrangement. For it's totally up to you that what do you want, getting me? And then what do we have next? We have extension. So if you want the welcome screen, if you want the welcome scheme, so go in window, and here we have extensions and click on welcome, and definitely it will show you the welcome screen, getting me? As you can see that now it's showing me welcome screen. But definitely if you want to see the welcome screen again, so go in window and click on extension, and here we have option called welcome, getting me? Then what do we have next? We have maximize frame. Let's suppose if I click on maximum frame, as you can see that now I'm just seeing this frame, getting me? So what maximum frame is? So if I go in the, you can say, window, so here maximize frame. Let's suppose if you just want to see, for example, if you have this screen, and definitely as you can see in this screen I have project panel, history, and all these panels. Let's suppose if I just only want to work on just this screen, and let's suppose if I just want this definitely this panel in the whole the screen, so how can I get? I have two ways. The first way is simply click on tilde. So definitely as you can see that now it's just showing me this you can say this panel, getting me in all the screen. And if I go in window and if I click on definitely maximum frame, is also showing that shift definitely definitely tilde. And if I click on maximum frame, definitely it will do the same thing, getting me? So as you can see that right now I it is not showing me anything. It's just showing me this panel, getting me? So let's suppose if you want to enlarge, if you just want to see one panel in your screen, then definitely you can do by just simply click definitely that panel and go in window and click on maximize, so definitely it will maximize. Definitely as you can see that right now I don't have panels, or I don't have media browser, I don't have project panel, I don't have timeline anymore, getting me? So definitely this is the work of maximize, means it will maximize any panel, getting me? Then what do we have next? We have definitely Adobe Story, so definitely it is linked with definitely internet. And what do we have next? We have audio clip mixer. Let's suppose if you want to change the audio, definitely you can also do here. This is for audio meters. Definitely audio meters, with the help of audio meters we can get the audio. For example, if I click on audio, as you can see that this is called audio mixer, track mixer, getting me? So for example, if I have this, and let's suppose if I want to change the audio of my definitely video, definitely I can also do, getting me? This is for audio. Then what do we have next? We have captions. Captions are definitely captions are basically for subtitles, getting me? So let's suppose if you have made a subtitle, definitely it will be easy for you to see, getting me? For example, if I go in a new item and if I click on captions, and if I say okay, and if I say telegraph, and if I say okay, and if I double click on it, as you can see that now it is showing me this caption panel, getting me? So caption panel are basically used for subtitles. For example, if I want my subtitle, so me is saying that from where definitely starting point and definitely the finish point, getting me? So for example, if I say the start, definitely this definitely subtitle starting from for example from this time, and it finish definitely from definitely this is the last time, getting me? So for example, here you can also set the duration, and here you can also type definitely for subtitle for your work. For example, I say hi, how are you, getting me? So definitely this is basically for if we talk about this caption, so caption is basically for subtitles, getting me? And if you want to learn more about captions, so definitely you should watch my video on captions, getting me? Definitely capture. And then what do we have next? We have effect panels. Let's suppose if you want to apply any effect, so how can you apply? Just go in effect, definitely, and here we have all the effects. But let's suppose if you want to changing here, if you want to change something, so definitely how can you change? In order to change something, what you need to do, you need to first come in window, and here we have the option called effect controls. So just simply click on effect controls, and let's suppose if I apply this effect, for example, if I go and if I apply this effect, and if I click, and definitely as you can see that right now I have effect control panel, getting me? So definitely in the effect control panel I can control my effects, getting me? Then what do we have next? We have effect panel. That suppose if whatever you are seeing right now is because of this, getting me? So definitely if you check this, so definitely it will show effect panel here, getting me? So effect, definitely if you check this, so definitely it will show effect panel. different events. And then what do we have next? So we have history. So definitely it will show you whole history. If I click on it, as you can see, they're showing me all the history. Means what have you done? For example, it's saying me first you started, then you import one clip, then you did. So it is showing me my all history. Getting me? It is showing my all history. Means what I have done. Getting me? So it is showing my actions. So history is showing my history. Means what I did first. Means first I click on new, open, then import. I imported one picture, then I imported this video, then I override it, then I edit a one marker, and then I use mark in a marker. Getting me? So definitely it's showing my history. Means it is showing my different actions. Okay. And then what do we have next? We have info. Let's suppose if I click on any of the file, let's suppose if I click, as you can see, they now is showing me the information about this clip. For example, if I click, as you can see, they now showing me the name and definitely the type, and definitely different audio, and definitely tape, definitely so showing me the in and out duration. Getting me? So definitely with the help of info panel we can get information about panel. Libraries, definitely if you want to get the libraries, so definitely you must have internet connection. And then definitely this is basically for color correction. Let's suppose if I import any video, and if I click and drag it here, and if I go in window, and here we have the panel called definitely this, and if I click on it, so as you can see that right now it is showing me this. Okay. So what I want it here, and I will just simply click and drag it out so that you can see. Okay, it's fine. And what I do, I will just close this, and close this, and just close this. Okay, so what I do, I will just simply click and drag it here, and I should go in window, and I should say that editing, and it's fine. Okay. And what I do, I will go again, and I will click on reset save layout, and definitely okay, as you can see that right now I have video. Okay, so what I do, I will go in window, and here we have definitely this panel. So what I do, I will just simply click on this, and this is basically for color correction. This is basically for color correction. We can say the advanced color correction. Getting me? So we have two. Definitely this is whatever you are seeing right now. Now this is the first. Actually, as you can see that right now we have two tabs. Definitely is master, and definitely this. So whatever you are seeing right now, it is master. Means whatever we will do editing here, for example, if we change the color, or if we change the curve, if we change anything, so definitely it will affect. For example, if I click on it, so definitely it will affect my original. And if I click on this, so definitely it will affect here. Getting me? It will affect on timeline. Getting me? So if I click on master, so master means that it will affect my definitely original video. And if I click on this, definitely it will affect here. Getting me? So if I click on it, so as you can see that right now I have all the options. Definitely if I uncheck it, so definitely as you can see that all the options are disabled for this basic correction. So I will check this, and as you can see that now again my options are enabled. And let's suppose if I want to change the temperature, you will see a difference. Getting me? Just see a difference. Getting me? So definitely as you can see that right now you are able to see the difference. Getting me? So here we have this option for color correction. Getting me? And if you want to reset, just simply click on reset, and as you can see that all the things have resetted. Getting me? And if you want to get the preset, so here we have all the preset. Let's suppose if I come in input, and if I click on any of this, as you can see that right now this preset. Getting me? So definitely here we also have the options for definitely preset as well. In easy way we can say preset. Getting me? And if I click again, so definitely as you can see that now I'm not able to see these options again. I will go in creative, and definitely here we have also options for the intensity. So if I click on intensity, definitely I can also change intensity as well, and I can also change. Getting me? As I able to see little bit blur. Getting me? So definitely you can also do here. If I go in curve, so definitely I can also change the curve. Let's suppose if I want to add color, for example, if I click on this, definitely with the help of this I can also change the color of my definitely as well. Getting me? Let's suppose if you just want, as you know that if we have a video, so definitely video is made up of three colors, mean red, green, blue. Getting me? So let's suppose if you want to change the red side or red part or blue part, definitely you can also do here. And then color wheel, definitely here we also have the options of color wheel, and definitely this option, definitely if you want to change the midpoint, if you want to do something like this, definitely you can also. Definitely it's self-explanatory. Getting me? So very easy. It's basically for color correction, and definitely this scope is basically for it is connected with this. For example, whatever I'm doing right now here, na, you will see the difference here. Getting me? So it is just showing the graphical representative of this. For example, whatever I'm doing here, na, it will show in graph that what are you doing. Getting me? So this is the work of definitely this scopes. And then what do we have next? We have media browse, no, markers, definitely markers. So let's suppose if I've used marker here, so if I in and click it out, so if I come here and if I select this and if I take this, so as you can see they're now showing markers, getting me. So I should take another clip and I should be fine. Okay, so if I say here and definitely now I will show you difference. Okay, I will go in marker and I will click on add marker and this, if I click okay. So definitely with the help of this we can get the markers, means that if for example it is related to marker, means it will show the in and out point of the marker. For example, if I go again and if I select this, definitely, so definitely it will show the markers here, means definitely it will show for example in and out of the marker. So if I, so as you can see that now I've selected this, definitely if I select this, so definitely it will not show marker. But if I select outside or if I click outside, as you can see, they now showing me marker, meaning it's showing that you have marked definitely the in point and the out point, the definitely the in and out. So definitely it will show the marker, means that it is showing this part, getting me, it is showing this part. So you no need to click on definitely extract, or you no need to use this, definitely it is showing this, getting me. So it has taken this part, means that it is started from here and it stopped it here, and definitely this part, definitely this clip it has, getting me. So definitely it is showing marker here, means the in point and the out point, getting me, in and out. Then what do we have next? We have media browser. Definitely we have made the, definitely we have watched the lecture on media browser. That what basically media browser is. Media browser is basically for import, and definitely metadata and program monitor. This is what we call program monitor. Project, definitely this is project monitor. Source monitor, definitely this is source monitor. And time code, means if whatever the time you are seeing right now, definitely this is the time. So let's suppose if you want to see time like this, so definitely you can also see, getting it. So definitely it is showing the time here in a new panel, getting me. So let's suppose if you want to see the time, you can also see the time here. Time, definitely timelines, definitely this is to the timeline, definitely you can, whatever you are seeing right now, this is timeline, means this, okay, this called timeline. And definitely title actions, basically this is for title. Definitely we have covered the lecture on titles, definitely title menu. So basically these are options for title designer, title properties, title style, title tools. Oh, definitely it is showing the all the tools or all the things for title. So basically this, if we talk about this all title, so basically title is basically for title menu, getting me. So definitely is all related title. Let's suppose if you don't want to see tools, just simply click on tools and definitely it will not show tools here. Workspace, definitely whatever you are seeing right now, means all the panels and all the things are called workspaces, getting me. So this was lecture on window menu in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedpress.com. Allah Hafiz and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.